Audi Q7 3.6 liter V6 air filter replacement. You'll find the air filter for this particular engine. This is a 2008, very similar to a lot of the other Q7s that were made during this time. The left-hand side of the engine, you'll see this box right in front of the washer fluid. There's two clips right here. All you've got to do is pop up each one. There's a hose here. Lift the hose out of its little mount, just like a little plastic thing that sticks in there. Kind of get it out of the way. And once these clips are lifted, we'll actually expose that air filter. And the tricky part is to shimmy this old one out and shimmy a new one in. The cover is held on in the bottom with two or three pegs. Now these pegs kind of stick in the bottom, and then the lid pries forward and then snaps down. So just be sure when you get the new filter put in that it's all lined up from the bottom and all sealed properly from the side, each side, bottom, top, left, right side. Because a lot of times if one of the pegs in the bottom is not properly aligned, you might have a gap in the side. So you want, when it's closed, you want it to be perfectly level. And these clips too. Oh. And these clips too right here should just easily snap down. So if you're having a problem clipping it in, take a look, make sure that the bottom is aligned properly. There's no gaps. You can't see the side of the filter. The filter isn't maybe misaligned, and part of it's kind of creating an issue with it closing. But when you go to close these clips, it should be pretty easy to close them, unless you have a very thick filter for some reason. But if it's a standard filter, an OEM filter, K&N, it should be pretty easy to get this shut. So this is where the filter is located. Super easy with two clips, and then just pulling a pipe out. So it takes maybe 10 minutes. If you take your time, you clean everything. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, I appreciate watching, guys. Good luck with your project, and have a great day.